7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're talking about an altcoin Kusama, currently ranked number 76 on CoinMarketCap, currently trading for $57. In this video we're looking at our bear market strategy for Kusama. Should we be buying more Kusama through the bear market? Should we be holding our stash? Or should we even sell our stash into the pump, hoping for lower prices? We're looking at how Kusama has behaved since it was launched in 2020. We're looking at Kusama against the US dollar. We'll also be looking at Kusama against Bitcoin, and then we'll look at how it's performing against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Kusama market cap chart. I'll be performing our bear market strategy. I'll be showing you guys my bear market targets for where I'll be accumulating some more Kusama during the bear market. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, you can get one Kusama for $57. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $518 and as low as $43. It currently has a market cap of $483 million and a fully diluted market cap of $548 million. What's our bear market strategy for Kusama? Because in the last 1 year, it's down 73%. In the last 1 month, it's down 19%, but in the last 1 week, it has gotten a nice 20% pump. The altcoin market is having a nice pump, and you can see that Kusama is enjoying that pump. Should we be selling our Kusama into this pump, or should we be holding Kusama through the bear market, or should we even be accumulating more because we'll be expecting higher prices? Guys, let's take a look at the Kusama price chart from 2020 to 2022. We have 2 years worth of price chart history for Kusama, and since when Kusama was launched, it has been an up-only trajectory. From January 2020 when it was launched, it was pumping straight to the moon. It went up over 62,000% in just 480 days. If you invested $1,000 here in Kusama, you would have gotten over $623,000 if you sold at the top price here. Crazy returns. Since when Kusama stock came in May 2021, it has actually been dumping. It has lost over 93% of its value, and right now we have a little pump. So should we be accumulating into this pump, or is the bottom in? Because guys, being down 93% from its all-time high, if Kusama actually pumps back to the all-time high, if we get some Kusama right now, would have returned over 1,300% on our initial investment. So if we invested $1,000 at the bottom of Kusama right now where we are, if it goes back to its all-time high, we'll be able to get $13,000. But is the bottom of the Kusama bear market in? Guys, because in the bear market, all coins are fond of losing almost 90 to 99% of their value. Kusama has actually lost over 93%. It can still go lower, and it can still go as down as 97% from its all-time high. So where will I be accumulating some Kusama for myself during the bear market? Guys, the first price where I'll be getting some is around where we are right now, $53 to $57. Sounds like a reasonable region, because you can see that price actually interacted with this region. We couldn't pass through this $58 region. August we couldn't pass there, we got rejected from there. We finally passed there in December 2020 before the altcoins went crazy, Kusama included. Right now, as we're dumping, you can see that we're interacting with that region. So I'll get some here, not going all in. Remember, you want to dollar cost average into this project during the bear market, because guys, from where we are right now, Kusama can actually go as low as maybe less than $20. You can actually see Kusama going to as low as probably even $7. Worst case scenario. But I'll be accumulating of Kusama from $56 to around $20 region, and that looks like the real area of interest. And if it breaks below this level, hallelujah, we'll be getting more on the cheap. But from the all-time high, if Kusama gets to the bottom of this range, what we'll be expecting to get to during the bear market, from the all-time high, which is around $618, that's how high Kusama went at the top of the bull run, to the bottom of this range where we're accumulating some Kusama, it would have just been down 96%. My favorite example, Bitcoin the previous bear market, the king of the market, Bitcoin lost 83% of its value. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, lost over 94%, and XRP, that was among the top 10 for a very long time, lost more than 96% of its value. So if Kusama is lucky enough to lose 96% of its value during the bear market, wow, shout out to KSM. Because guys, anytime you have this kind of mad pumps on these altcoins, you expect a corresponding mad dump, because all the people that are in profit, all the people that bought on their way to the top, at some point in time, many of them will be exiting in profit, and when we have more sellers than buyers, the price will actually be reducing. So till we have no more sellers, that's when we'll find the bottom. And I think that as people are still in profit, they'll still be cashing out, because if you got Kusama right here on January 2020, even when we are right now and people are shouting we're in the dump, you're up over 5,000%. You're up 54x return on your investment. So if you put $1,000 in Kusama in January 2020, right now you still have over $54,000. At the top of the market, you'd have had over $600,000, but right now you still have over $54,000. And I think that if you just slept after buying Kusama here and you woke up here, you still cash it out because you're still in a huge profit. Now let's see how Kusama is performing against Bitcoin. This is a Kusama Bitcoin price chart from 2020 when Kusama was launched. Let's put this on a 3-day time frame for it to actually look cleaner so that we can see all what Kusama has been doing. Now each bar here represents 3 days in Kusama's price history. When it was launched right here in January 2020, what happened against Bitcoin? It went on a crazy run. It shot up over 14,000% against Bitcoin. One Bitcoin invested in KSM right here would have returned over 140 Bitcoins right here. Guys, all coins are very risky in the bear market, but look at the bull run. The return on investment is huge, and that's why a lot of people diversify to altcoins during the bull run, because man, the gains in altcoins are crazy. But when we're in the bear market, you want to pivot away from altcoins, probably into stable coins, probably to some Bitcoins. Why? You want to be able to get them on the cheap. Imagine if you sold your Kusama right here into Bitcoins. Right now, Kusama against Bitcoin is down over 87%, and guys, it can still go way low. You can see that we almost broke this low right here, and this was a very important region for Kusama. We're bouncing off that level, and will this bounce be sustainable, or are we just going to dump further to the downside? I actually suspect we're going to dump further to the downside. You can see that as we're dumping, we're having some pumps on the way, but those pumps are not sustainable. We had a 100% pump right here, got people bullish, then got them wrecked again. We had another pump right here. This pump was 100%, 47%, and right now we're having another pump again, and KSM is pumping against Bitcoin. You can see that KSM has pumped over 49% against Bitcoin. Can this pump be sustainable, or we're going to be going deep into Goblin Town? Only time will tell, but we want to be careful. But if I'm accumulating some KSM with my Bitcoin, guys, I'm waiting for it to get to this region in time, and this would be a very good place to be accumulating some KSM with your Bitcoin. And from the top of the market, KSM would have been down more than 95% on its Bitcoin pairing. But be warned, guys, it can still go lower. And when you buy and you see it going lower, don't think that that you did the wrong decision. Nobody knows where the bottom is in. The chances of you actually getting the bottom of all these altcoins are going to be very slim. A lot of them take a long time to actually bottom out. Like KSM like this probably take 2 years to bottom out before we see the bottom of KSM. Remember, guys, we only have just 8 million coins in circulation, and the total supply can be 9 million coins. So the price of KSM is relatively high because we don't have a lot of the coins in circulation. The market cap is still at $483 million. We're taking a look at the market cap chart very quickly. But let's see how KSM is performing against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, KSM has had a wonderful ride from when it was launched. 2020, January 2020, you can see that KSM bottomed right here in February 2020, and then it went on a crazy run against Ethereum. It returned over 6,800% against Ethereum. Mad gains in just 420 days. In 420 days, KSM outperformed Ethereum, outperformed Bitcoin, and also outperformed the US dollar. But right now we're in a bear market and it's losing value against these 3 major currencies. Against the US dollar, KSM has lost over 93% of its value from the top. It's down more than 93%. Against Bitcoin, KSM has lost more than 87% from the top. Against Ethereum, KSM has lost more than 88% from the top. So KSM has actually lost a lot of value in the bear market. Where will you be getting some KSM? If I have my Ethereum, with my Ethereum, I won't be getting some KSM to get to these levels, the levels where we were on December 19, 2019. That's the level I'll be getting some KSM. So KSM will still have to drop from where we are right now. You may be wondering, why am I expecting way lower prices for these altcoins? Guys, if you have been through the bear market, you will know that if you think it's very cheap, it can get very cheaper. If KSM is going to reach my level where I want to be getting some on the Ethereum pairing, it will be down 95% from its all-time high, which is actually not bad. It will be on par with other altcoins. Ethereum is one of the strongest altcoins, and usually Ethereum outperforms a lot of these altcoins. So if you see any altcoin that's outperforming Ethereum in the short term, that's a good altcoin. But during the bear market, most people run to Bitcoin, most people run to Ethereum. These are the two safety assets in the crypto space where institutional investors can actually pack their wealth. And most of these altcoins, nobody really knows their use or how they can be valued. So most of the price action is just based on speculation. Let's take a look at the KSM market cap chart. KSM has had a wonderful ride from when it was launched, from being valued at less than $10 million, at the top of the bull run, it went to as high as $5 billion. Crazy return for a relatively new project. It returned more than 10,000% on investors. The market capitalization went on a real heavy bull run. Since then, KSM has been dumping. The market valuation of KSM is down 93%. Can it go lower? Yes, guys, it can go lower. It can go way lower. Anything that goes up very quickly, remember, it can come down very quickly just as well. Now, KSM from its all-time high, where we bottom on the market valuation, I can see KSM's market valuation probably dropping to as low as maybe $30 million. That's if it loses 99% of its value. This is worst case scenario. With all coins losing 92 to 95% of their value, I'll actually peg KSM for a market capitalization of around this $200 million. This $200 million region will be a very interesting region to be accumulating some KSM. So when the market capitalization gets to around $200 million, that will be a good accumulation point. And from where we are right now, we will see KSM losing another 54%. Is it possible? It's very possible. On the price chart, if KSM loses 54% from where we are right now, it will take us to the bottom of that accumulation range. So this is why we're accumulating some KSM in the bear market from $56 to as low as $23. If I get lower prices, kumbaya, I'll be happy. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me your bear market strategy for KSM. Will you be buying more KSM during the bear market? Will you just be holding your stash through the chaos? Or will you even be selling your stash into the pump, hoping for lower prices? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.